So you want to make money in affiliate marketing, huh? Step one, okay? Produce content. Gotta get yourself out there. Don't be a viewer, be a producer, all right? Doesn't matter if it's a 30-second video. Get it on YouTube, get it on Facebook, get it on Instagram, get it on TikTok, whatever you gotta do, produce content. Step two, add value. Help somebody. If you know something more than someone else knows, educate them. Put yourself out there. Do someone a favor. We do other people favors, so one day when you need it, someone else is gonna help you back. Even if it's a free value, you can be a consultant and get paid as well. But first, start off with free value, because you give people value, and it get back to you, okay? Third, have products to sell. You gotta have a call to action, you gotta have products to offer, otherwise you're not gonna make money.